Now we're going to do problem 2 from the first lab. It says, in bowling, Mauricio hits a strike 2 out of 7 attempts. Fernanda hits a strike 1 out of 3 attempts. If both get one shot, find the probability that both hit a strike, none hits a strike, Mauricio hits a strike, yet Fernanda doesn't. They both do exactly the same, and either one hits a strike. Okay, letter A says both hit a strike. So it's probability that strike and strike. And we have to multiply both probabilities. So it's probability that Fernando hits a strike, 2 out of 7, times probability that Fernanda hits a strike, 1/3, equals 2 out of 21. And this is a probability that they both hit a strike. Now letter B, it says none hits a strike. So it's a probability of strike, the complement, because they don't hit a strike, and strike and the complement. So in here we have to multiply the complement of each of the probabilities. So it will be 1 minus 2 out of 7 times 1 minus 1/3. This will be 5 out of 7 times 2/3 equals 10 out of 21. Now letter C, it says Mauricio hits a strike, yet Fernanda doesn't. In here, it will be the probability of Mauricio hitting a strike and Fernanda doesn't, so it's the complement. And this will be the probability that Mauricio hits a strike, it's 2 out of 7, times the complement that Fernanda hits a strike. So this will be 2 out of 7 times 2/3. This is 4 out of 21. Now letter D, it says they both do exactly the same. In here we have to multiply two probabilities. The probability that they both hit a strike times the probability that they don't. So in here, the probability that they both hit a strike, we already did it. It's letter A, so it's 2 out of 21 times the probability that neither of them gets a strike, that is letter B, that is 10 out of 21. We multiply them and it will be 12 out of 21, which can then be simplified to 4 out of 7. Now letter E, it says either one hits a strike. So in here, it's probability that Mauricio hits a strike or Fernanda hits a strike. So this will be 2 out of 7 plus 1 out of 3. This is a probability that Mauricio hits a strike and this one that Fernanda hits a strike, so we add them. And this is 13 out of 21.
For problem number 32, we're asked the following question. How many ways can the winners form if we have 12 students and 3 identical scholarships? So we know that the order matters, so we're going to use a permutation. Since we have 12 students and we're looking for 3 spots. So this is going to end up with 12 factorial over 12 minus 3 factorial, which means 12 factorial over 9 factorial. We can expand this to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial over 9 factorial, which we can then simplify, leaving us with 12 times 11 times 10, which will give us 1,320 different ways for the winners to form. For letter B, since Roberta's scholarship is already guaranteed, now we only have 11 students and we have 2 spots available. So now we're going to have 11 factorial over 11 minus 2 factorial, which gives us 11 factorial over 9 factorial. We simplify this to 11 times 10 times 9 factorial over 9 factorial. We cross this out, and then 11 times 10, it's going to give us 110 new ways.
Indefinite integral, and to solve it we first rearrange the equation. Is s 4x negative 1/2 minus 5 over 3 x negative 4/3 minus 6 x2 over 5 minus 2 pi over dx. To start antiderivating, we have to use this formula and apply it to every term. So first we write 4, and it is negative 1/2 plus 1, it is x 1/2 2 minus 5/3 over negative 3 x negative 1/3, because we are applying this formula in here, and it is 6/5 x to the third over 3. It is a whole number, so we only add an x, and because it is an indefinite integral, we add a plus c. The next step will be to simplify, so it will be 8x 1/2 minus these ones eliminate, and this is a negative, so it will be positive 5x negative 1/3 minus this we simplify, so it will be 2 over 5 x3 minus 2 pi x plus c. So at the end we rewrite the equation, so it will be x 8x square root of x plus 5 square root of 3x minus 2/5 x3 minus 2 pi x plus c. And this will be my final answer.